Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add email marketing to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, you got two options. Okay, first one is by using the Shopify email, which is built in and also the fastest one. And you'll also have option 2, which is to connect a third-party app. And of course, that is for more advanced automation. Okay, you can go out and connect Klaviyo, MailChimp, Omniscient, if those things are familiar to you. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the simplest one by using Shopify email. So I've got to click on apps right here in the left panel, and then we are going to find all recommended apps. So just click on it, and then Shopify App Store right here at the very bottom. So just click on it and a new page will load. Now we are going to find Shopify email. All right, this one. So just click on the drop down. And as you can see, Shopify messaging, email and SMS marketing made for commerce. So you just got to click on it, open it up, and a new page will load. And then once it loads, as you can see here under apps, we now have messaging. So you can pin it. Now you'll be able to see it right here. Okay. So just wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can now then go ahead and to create automation or create a campaign. So let's go ahead and click on create campaign to start building and sending emails directly from Shopify. Now you can just go ahead and set it up however you want, just like Klaviyo, MailChimp, and other providers. Okay, it's pretty easy. And then once that's done, just click on next and follow simple prompts. Now, after that, once you've set it up, you'll have to turn on subscriber collection at checkout. Okay, you'll have to ensure that you're legally allowed to email your buyers by capturing their marketing consent automatically. Now, to do that, if you want to know, you can just go ahead over to the left panel, click on settings right here under your Shopify admin. And then we are going to find checkout. Just click on it. Now scroll down and we are going to find marketing consent or marketing opt-in. So it says here, show a checkbox for customer to sign up for marketing. When? Email. When? Checkout and sign in or checkout only. All right. Now this text will be displayed on the checkout. You can go ahead and edit it however you want. I'm just going to leave it as is. You could also enable SMS. But after that, actually, just click on save right here. And once done, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to add email marketing to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.